Welcome to News at SMI. I am Neja Fatima of Class 10th. Today's headline: 2 more vaccines and a pill added to combat COVID. As India prepares to deal with the surge in COVID-19 infection with booster vaccine doses amid anxiety over the highly infectious Omicron variant, it has added 3 more tools, 2 vaccines and a drug to its armor. In 8 years, migrant workers will equal to 1/6 of Kerala's population. A recent projection by the State Planning Board says Kerala will be home to nearly 60 lakh migrant workers by 2030. Regional news. Fire breaks out a footwear factory. No casualty. A major fire broke out in a footwear manufacturing factory at Rahman Bazar in Kolathara, Kozhikode. No casualties were reported. CPM hit by cataract of communalism. If the BJP is aiming for a Congress-free Kerala, and for that the Marxist Party is joining hand with organization affiliated to religious majority and minorities, opposition leader V.D. Satheeshan has said. State ignored a high-speed rail project pushing for Silver Line. The DPR of the proposed Silver Line semi-high-speed rail project assessed by TNIE reveals that the center has not dropped the Chennai-Bangalore, Coimbatore, Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram high-speed rail project. Delhi's doctors refuses to call off strike. Rejecting the government's appeal of calling off the strike, resident doctors of Delhi hospitals on Tuesday said they will continue the protest against the delay in the NEET PG counseling process. International news. China tightens regulation on filming listening in foreign markets. Beijing has tightened the rules on overseas listing by China's company in a series of rules that increase scrutiny of firms seeking to raise funds on foreign stock market. SCBI tightens rule for use of IPO proceeds. Retail investors can now make informed decisions on investing, especially in IPOs of new age loss-making companies, with SEBI having tweeted the IPO regulation at its board meeting on Tuesday. Sports news. India vs Bangladesh under-19 Asia Cup semi-final. India will lock home with Bangladesh with semi-final of under-19 Asia Cup after the group deciding match involving the latter team, and Sri Lanka was called off due to COVID-19 infections of 2 officials here on Tuesday. Thank you.